it's Jessica. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making some scallion / green onion pancakes, and I want to try two different methods for shaping them. So the first method I'm calling the twist and coil. You basically take each piece of dough, roll it out into a round, fill it and top it, roll it, twist it, and then coil it onto itself, almost like a snail shell. The second method is the cinnamon roll method. You basically make a large rectangle, top it, roll it, slice it, and then flatten each of the individual rounds. My goal here is to see which of these methods makes a crispy, crunchy, flaky pancake, or if there's any difference at all. So this is going to be the cinnamon roll method, where I put out a big rectangle, roll and slice. All right, I've got it into a rectangle. Start putting on the oil. So, after trying both of these methods, I have a couple of thoughts. The first one is the cinnamon roll method is definitely easier. You make one piece of dough, you don't have to split it up, you top it once, you roll it once, and then you slice and then have to smash each of the individual pieces. It's a lot more time consuming to do like the twist and coil method because you have to twist each individual piece and coil each individual pancake. In terms of the actual texture, I actually like the cinnamon roll method best. I don't know if it's because it creates smaller pancakes so they have more crispy surface or what, but I think the actual coils of the cinnamon roll method keep it from getting too tough. Because if you think of the twist and coil method, you're twisting it, which creates a lot of gluten and layers on top of each other, and then you're coiling it on top of itself, and then you're smashing and rolling. It just seems to create a lot of tough chewiness. And even though that works for a croissant, it doesn't work in this case because croissants have tons of butter, which makes all those layers kind of melt together. So if I had to recommend one method, I would go with the cinnamon roll method. It is both easier and I think creates a crispier pancake. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that we can try out the next food experiment together.